How to create an invoice in Quicken Home Business. Follow the instruction. Open Quicken Home Business and go to the Business tab. Click on Invoices or select Create Invoice from the Business menu. If prompted, enter your business information such as name and address. Choose or add a customer for the invoice. Set the invoice date and review or edit the invoice number. Enter the payment terms like net 30 or due on receipt. Add products or services by selecting or creating line items. Enter quantity and rate for each item to calculate totals. If needed, apply sales tax to taxable items. Add any notes or messages to the customer. Preview the invoice and make sure all details are correct. Save, print, or email the invoice as needed. Thank you for watching.